Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see old call history on iPhone. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now on your iPhone, if you go to the little phone app at the very bottom left here, you can see at the bottom is favorites and recents. If you go over to recents and you scroll down, this will show you your old call history. However, this is limited to 100 most recent calls, so you can go through this list and see that it doesn't have everything. You can see the oldest one is in July 9th, so not that old, but if you hop out of here, there's a way to see older call history. And we'll go into Safari or Google Chrome, and I have AT&T, so I just type in AT&T call history. I can go to the very first option, and it says here that I can access and download all of my call history on AT&T just by logging into your carrier. So if you're Verizon, T-Mobile, Sprint, doesn't matter what, just type in that carrier and call history, and you can see that it will show you an option to download all of your call history if you wanted to know. Say a year ago, who did you call on a specific day? This will show you exactly that call history, and you'll be able to see all the people, the time you talked to them, and the length of time, all that stuff. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.